All right, welcome to activity one. All right, just like I've been saying in the other activities, that please ensure you participate in these activities. These activities are a standard route to becoming a better creative writer. Your involvement in these activities really matters a lot. It matters to your progress. All right, in this course. All right. What is this activity all about? Right. Once you had a go at establishing your writing habit for a few weeks. All right. In the last section, I taught about writing habits. Take a look at the word sketches. All right, I've taught you about word sketches and sense impressions you have collected. Okay, just glance through it, check through it. Okay, and get a colored pen and circle the words and phrases you like. All right, circle the words and phrases you feel like, okay, it will work better for this particular subject matter. All right, then now turn those circle words and phrases into something more coherent. Now, this is just writing your draft on this subject matter, writing your first draft on this subject matter. Now, turn those circle words and phrases into something more coherent. Turn it to sentences, turn it to paragraphs, right? Paragraph of that subject matter. Make those things to make sense. All right, write something around it so that it makes perfect sense, so that it's you yourself, you understand what it is. It's yeah, and your readers also understand what it is. All right. Thank you for doing this activity. I hope it will be effective. All right. See, in the next lesson, we will be talking about redrafting.